Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Here we have taken an isosceles triangle ABC. Here you see that this side AB is equal to AC, and this is the base of the triangle. Let us take either of the side is x, that this side is x and this side is x, therefore it is an isosceles triangle. And the base of the triangle is 4.3 centimeter. It is given that the perimeter of the triangle is 4 whole 2 by 5, right? Therefore, according to the question, 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 perimeter means sum of all the sides. It is x plus 4 by 3, right? That is perimeter, and perimeter is given as 4 whole 2 by 15. Therefore, perimeter is x plus x, this side plus this side plus this side, is 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3, that is sum of all the sides, and the perimeter is given as 4 whole 2 by 5, 4 whole 2 by 5, 2 by 15, 4 whole 2 by 15. From this equation you have to find the value of x. X plus x is 2x plus 4 by 3, 4 by 3 is equal to 4 whole 2 by 15. Now transposing 4 by 3 to right hand side, we will get, or write once again, that is 2x plus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 15 4 just 60 plus 2, 62 by 15, that is 62 by 15. Now transposing 4 by 3 to right hand side, transposing 4 by 3 to right hand side, we get, transposing 4 by 3 on the right hand side, we get 2x is equal to 62 by 15, and it will be minus 4 by 3, right? If we take the LCM, the LCM will be 15. Take the LCM, that is 15. Find the LCM here, that is 3 and 5, 3 and 15, 3 and 15 divided by 3, that is 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Therefore LCM is equal to 3 into 5, that is 15. LCM is equal to 15, right? Here is 15 LCM. You divide 15 by 15, you get 1, that is 62, minus, if you divide 15 by 3, it is 5, that is 4 into 5, 4 into 5, that comes to 20. Then you are getting 62 minus 5 4 is 20 divided by 15, or you will get 62 minus 20, subtract 62 minus 20, that is 2 4 42 by 15. We are getting 42 by 15, 42 by 15. Now if you divide both sides by 2, on dividing both sides by 2 we obtain, on dividing on dividing both sides by 2, both sides by 2, we get 2x by 2 is x is equal to 42 by 15. 42 by 15 divided by 2, that is into 1 by 2. 1 by 2. If we divide this 1 by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 21 by 15. You divide it again by 3, that is 3 5 is 15, and 3 7 is 21. 3 5 is 15, and 3 7 is 21. So we are getting x is equal to 7 by 5. 7 by 5. Now if you divide 7 by 5, what you get, you see, divide 7 by 5, that is 5 1 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. It is 1 whole 2 by 5. That is equal to 1 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. This is the right. So we can say the length of equal sides is 1 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. Therefore, we can say that the length of equal side, length of equal side is 1 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.